Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Nev's Garage. Now, in recent episodes, we've fitted these clear lights on this NY99 WRX. They look pretty sweet, but I can't help but thinking the front indicators would look better if you couldn't see the amber bulb inside them. Okay, so today we're going to be doing something about that. We're going to be fitting these amber LEDs in the front. So they're nice chrome looking lights and they're going to light up amber. Reckon it's going to make it look filth, eh? Alright, so it's pretty easy. Let's get into it. Alright, so first of all we're going to do these front ones. So it's pretty simple. We just take this Phillips screw out. And then flip the light assembly out like that. Take it out the back. Alright. And there's our bulb. Okay, so we're just going to remove the incandescent bulb. And we're going to fit our sweet new LED. Before we do that, let's just put a bit of dielectric grease on the cap. This just prevents corrosion and promotes conductivity. Okay, so we'll just push him into the socket like that. Now we get our light assembly. Put the bulb in and then just push him back into place. Like that. In goes our Phillips screw again. Oh, cool. Simple as that. Alright, now let's do the other side. Okay, let's check how they look. There's a front on for you. Looks nice, eh? I reckon that looks really cool. Yeah. Alright, let's check out how they look when they're turned on. Oh yeah, looks good, nice and bright. Fills the whole assembly with light. It is nice. Looks pretty sweet, eh guys? What a quick and simple job to make them look so much better. They even look better when they flash. Alright dudes, well that's it for this episode of Nev's Garage. Please jump on the socials and follow us at Gossam Media, and also keep subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time on Nev's Garage.